everybody, it's Lurgs here. Welcome to my channel. I'm here to save you time and money. And today it's how to remove the dispenser drawer on your Tricity Bendix washing machine. It's definitely a good idea to clean out your dispenser drawer about every 6 months because you don't want any gunk and gunge and washing powder residue going down and getting on your clothes when you're doing a wash. There's a link above now about how to install a brand new washing machine. This is the Tricity Bendix washing machine here, and this one is actually a washing machine and also a dryer, and the dispenser drawer is up here on the top left hand corner. So just pull it out as far as it will go until it reaches a point where it won't go any further, then push down on this button here and then just remove it. And then you can give it a nice good clean. And this blue cover here actually pulls out if you want to get underneath there. Now this one is actually in pretty good condition. So here's one from another washing machine which is filthy dirty. So just take your partner's toothbrush and just give it a good clean in hot soapy water. And whilst I'm doing that, there's a link above now about various how-to guides on lots of different makes and models of washing machines. Now before you put the dispenser drawer back in, it's definitely worth giving the inside of the drawer a good clean with a cloth and some hot soapy water, because this can get dirty as well. Don't be tempted to use the toothbrush in here because it can fall down the hole and damage the washing machine. Now to put the dispenser drawer back, just line it up with the grooves. Just push down on that button and then just slide it all the way home. And there we go. Whilst you're doing a bit of maintenance, it's definitely worth checking the inside. So open the door and just check the rubbers here. Now this one needs a really good clean, so you can get your toothbrush in there or a scrubbing brush, and just make sure also that those drainage holes are nice and clear in there. This one definitely needs a good clean. Once you've given that a good clean and everything's all looking good, it's then worth putting it on a super hot wash, the hottest that it will go without any clothes, just to give it a good flush through. And then don't forget to put your partner's toothbrush back and hope that they don't notice. I'll tell you what, after all that hard work, it's definitely time for a lovely cup of tea. Oh, oh, oh. If you'd like more videos on how to save you time and money, then please press the subscribe button down here. I really do appreciate you visiting my channel, everyone. If you'd like to select any other videos around here, that would be really cool. And be sure to hit that bell notification tab.